Hi folks, today I'm going to show you this nice little Hermes 3000 portable typewriter that I found not too long ago. This is a very well built machine, made in Switzerland, I think somewhere in the late 1950s, 57, 58, something like that. I'll have to check on it. Anyways, it's got nice margin controls on there, everything well built. Beautiful design, and for its age it's in great condition. Works like a charm. I'll give you a little demo here. Not used to a manual typewriter anymore. The ribbon's a little worn out. It's kind of hard to see. Tab button, tab set buttons, back spacer, carriage, ribbon color selector. Not sure what this one is for. I've got the instruction book, but I haven't read it yet. Anyways, there it is, the Swiss-made Hermes 3000 portable typewriter.